Genre Analysis by Riley Mosby, Hayden Towner, and Joe Schroeder. Our group decided the genre of this presentation was an example of an informational infographic. The generic conventions are numbered sections, descriptive headers, alternating colors, and types of visuals and illustrating concepts using icons or images. This was written by our Writing for STEM instructor, Dr. Eric Beauchamp. Since he's an instructor, his stake in this is trying to help students learn. This was written at the start of a new unit, which makes sense because a new unit means that there is new information needing to be introduced. This was most likely written for writing students, based on the actual information and the way it is simplified and broken down. The presentation had numbered sections that helped to maintain organizational flow throughout the presentation. The presentation also had descriptive headers that gave an idea of what was in the section. This helped to make the topic of information more clear. The design of the presentation had alternating colors, along with different ways of presenting the text and shapes on each slide. This helped to keep the readers engaged. Icons that were related to the topic of the information were also used and helped communicate the point. We think the presentation meets the genre conventions. It included headers, numbered sections, visual interest, and illustrated concepts that all work together in order to relay the information to students. As for advice for the future, we would suggest not using complementary colors with similar saturation as the background and text color. For example, the slide with a bright blue background and bright orange text has a contrast that can make the text harder to see and the information could get lost. Other than that, it looked like a good presentation.